How to reverse a video on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Then, simply click video as usual. After you're done clicking video, you'll find filters at the bottom. Simply scroll to the left and search for this kind of button, as I have added the image because that is not available on my region. Make sure the middle part is in that button. After you have done that, it will directly turn your video into reverse video. And this is how to reverse a video on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.